Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy, and this is another edition of the Rover auction chat series that we're doing every morning. So if you haven't liked and subscribed, please check out the rest of the channel and do so now. Today, we're talking about a 2004 Land Rover Discovery S, or at least that's how it is denoted on Manheim. It is being sold by a private dealer. And it has G4 livery. It could be a real G4. I'm not sure. It's been modified. It's got an ARB bumper. It's got some driving lights and a snorkel and some black wheels and some old BFG KOs. But it also has 98,000 miles. It's listed as a 4.6, but that's not correct. That's how a Discovery S is spec'd. This, I believe, is a 4-liter. Which I'm not sure what a proper spec G4 D2 was equipped with from the factory, but that may or may not be correct. Again, this one is for sale on Manheim. It's a buy it now price. This dealer has it up for, I think, 23 grand or something like that in Arkansas. So, the question remains is, what's the value of this truck? 9 owners, because it gets passed around and all over the place. It has a semi-chat GPT looking description of all the modifications, a lot of Rhino line. It says good BFG tires, but they're probably 15 years old. Dual sunroofs, 4-liter V8, and then some more description of what the G4 Challenge is. Again, this is a 9-owner truck with good miles. It's been passed around. It's been modified. This is a dealer gem, right? It's a shiny object that attracts different customers and whatnot, and that's probably what its main function has been for a long time now. There's no actual dealer description about any mechanical upgrades or maintenance or anything like that, and I don't really think that these add-ons attract or add to the value. I think it detracts. Honestly, I'm not a purist when it comes to these things, but I think I'd rather have a bone stock G4 truck that has some bumps and bruises on it and a little bit of grit than a shined up Rhino lined version like we see here. It's got Rhino lining on both bumpers, on the snorkel, on the side skirts, all over the place. You'll see a picture. It even has it on the frame, which is pretty concerning. Aftermarket, it looks like, with a ladder. It has no rack. But the paint looks fine. It looks, on paper it looks, no winch. On paper it looks nice. It's a fine looking truck with just no mechanical information. The paint looks good. Stickers look fine. No major complaints. Yeah, there's the snorkel. There's the seat. I think there's a picture that's coming up of what looks like a hole in the roof line area. I don't know if that's just where the trim's missing or something, but something's going on there. Caught my eye, right? So, there's no discernible bumps or bruises. Again, it could have just been painted. There's no information on it, but those taillight guards are the same ones I think you can buy on Amazon because my neighbor has them. Very limited interior shots. Who cares about the back seat? That's so irrelevant when people use that as, it's never been sat in. But the interior does look nice. At least the leather does. This is what I don't like. Look at that Rhino line frame. That's either Rhino line or a bit of rust. I don't know. It's scary looking. Then there's no other shots. I mean, that's a kind of a half-assed way to project what the condition is. It's got an aftermarket stereo that detracts points. But again, it seems to be in nice condition. It's still, less than 100,000 mile orange D2. So the verdict is out. What would you guys pay for it? What do you think it's valued? Let me know in the comments. Is this something that would even catch your eye? Is a modified G4 truck? We saw the one a little while ago. This was for 34 grand with a manual transmission. So that's the benchmark. And I don't know if they're going to hit these prices. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.